Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into a delicious classic, pork humba. This savory dish is a favorite in Filipino cuisine, and we're going to cook it to perfection. Today, we're sharing our mouth-watering pork humba recipe that's cooked to perfection. This Filipino-style braised pork belly is tender, flavorful, and falls off the bone delicious. With a rich, savory sauce and a nice balance of sweet and salty flavors, this dish is sure to become a family favorite. Follow our easy-to-follow recipe to learn how to cook pork humba like a pro. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this video is perfect for anyone looking to try a new recipe or impress their loved ones with a delicious homemade meal. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started and cook this pork humba recipe to perfection. Ingredients: 1 kajt pork belly cut into serving pieces, a 1/4 cup vinegar, a 1/4 cup soy sauce, 3/4 cup pineapple juice, 1 medium onion chopped, 5 cloves garlic minced, 2 teaspoons brown sugar, 2 pieces star anise optional, a 1/4 cup banana blossom, a 1/4 cup salted black beans rinsed, 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns, 2 pieces bay leaf, 2-3 cups water as needed. Start by cutting 2 pounds of pork belly into bite-sized pieces. In a large pot, heat some oil and brown the pork until it's golden and crispy. This step adds incredible flavor. Next, add 1 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and a 1/4 cup of vinegar. Toss in 1 tablespoon of sugar for a touch of sweetness, along with 1 onion, chopped, and 4 cloves of garlic, minced. Don't forget the star anise and bay leaves for that aromatic twist. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Cover and cook for about an hour. This slow cooking allows the flavors to meld beautifully. If you like it saucy, feel free to add a bit more water. Once the pork is tender, add in boiled eggs and pineapple chunks for that tropical flair. Let it simmer for another 10 minutes to let all those flavors blend together. And there you have it. Serve your pork humba with steamed rice for a satisfying meal that's sure to impress. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious cooking tips.